Okay, so I know this is random, but I am going to study the alpha patterns until I get them 100% correct. Like the hit go. Yeah, so anyway, I found this website. It's called alphasimulator.com. Let me actually show you um, alphasimulator.com. Let me create a banner to show you what alphasimulator.com. So this is the website that I'm on right now. It's called alphasimulator.com, and it is teaching the alpha patterns. So let me show you. So I basically took a quiz to learn the alpha patterns, and I got 11 correct out of 16. So this is let me show you the patterns. So these are the patterns. And so what I've been doing to learn them is I'll look at this and I'll try to like notice a pattern. So I've already memorized Aqua. Aqua is all closed and OB is all open. That's like the easiest one for me to remember. Aqua and OB. And then um I can also remember Obala very easily because Obala has one open at the top and three closed at the afterwards. And I like the way I remember is Obala reminds me of Obara, which is blood, which Obala is still Obala is still Obara in certain dialects. But the way I think about it is this open part here is an open wound, and the three nodes that are below it are like bleeding. So that's how I remember what Abala looks like. So I can always remember Abala, and I can always remember Ako, and I can always remember Obi. But the rest of them, oh, I can also always remember Aka. Aka, because Aka looks like I think of it like so this one like this Aka has like a missing finger, like it's a hand, a four hands with a missing finger. I don't know why I just have such gruesome use, like some gruesome mnemonic devices. But this one is like Aka meaning to me Aka hand, but I think about it with a hand with a missing finger. So I don't know why I remember that one like that. But then I also remember Otule because Otule and Aka are like reverse of each other. So Otule is Aka with the different like with the colors flipped. So Otule is all open and the second one is closed. And I just remember Otule because Ako Tule is another way of saying DBSO. I remember that Otule is the reverse of Aka. So that's how I remember that one. Which other one can I remember now? I don't remember all of them all the time. Like Atuluba, I always forget which one what Atuluba looks like. Okala. Okala, I remember because Okala sounds like Obala and it looks like Obala flipped upside down. So I remember Obala easily, but then Okala is just Obala the other way. Um, so that's how I remember that one. Let's see. Ofu. Ofu, I only remember Ofu because um, it's not intuitive at all. So I don't always remember it actually. Ijite, Ete. Okay, I'm gonna try to take the quiz real quick and see if I remember them. All right. So this is my last score. My last score was 11 correct out of 16. So let's take the quiz. Practice again. Okay. What is the name of this pattern? I think I told you guys before that the the right way is the with the first one open and the last with the other three. Then this is the opposite of Obala. So this would have to be um dang, what was the opposite of Obala? I've already forgotten. It's either I think it's not OD for sure. It's not OB, Opala. It's not Aura. Is it Aura? It could be Aura. Is it Aura? Yeah, this is Aura. I checked Aura. Okay. So next. Okay. Let's see. This is not Aka. This is not Ofu. This is either Ete or Ose. I don't think it's Ose. I think it's Ete. Got it. Okay. This is definitely OB because OB is all open. Got it. This one is okay. This is a difficult one. This is either the options are Ogeli, Agali, Atoloba, or Ululu. Hold on. Let me see. Ogeli, Agali, Ululu, or Atoloba. I don't know. I'm gonna go with Atoloba. No, I think I'm gonna go with Ululu. Ah, it was Ogeli. Okay. Next question. I had no idea what that one was. I'm actually getting sleepy, so I'm probably not going to do this for too long. It's not Obala. It's not Ofu. Actually, it could be Ofu. It's not Aka. It's not Obala. It's either Ofu or Agali. Ofu. I want to say it's Agali, but I want to say it's Ofu. It's not Ofu. Okay, it's Ofu. Ofu. How will I remember Ofu? I know it's 2-2, but then the closed one is first. It's one after the other, but the closed one is first. I don't know why this is Ofu. It's like so it's not intuitive at all. Okay, next. Um this is definitely Aka. Okay, next one. Um let's see. This is not Aka. Is this Ululu or Ijite? I don't think this is OD either. I think this is Ijite or Ululu. I think it's Ululu. Yeah, I was right. Next question. This is Okala. This is Okala. Yep. This is not Aka. This is not Obi. This is not Ofu. This is Atoloba. Yeah. And this is the opposite of Aka. This is Otule. Got it. This one is. Well, I'm getting a lot of them this time. This is not Aka. Excuse me. Is this Odi? This is not Ose. Is this Agali? This is either Agali, Ose, or Odi. This is not Odi. It's either Ose or Agali. Is this Agali? Wait, what do I know about Ose? I think this is Agali. Let's try it. Yeah, it's Agali. Okay. This is definitely Aku. Yeah. Mm, this is not Aka or Otule. This is Ofu. Is this Ofu? Or is this Ose? Um, I want to say this is Ofu. Ah, I knew it was Ose. Dang it. How to do this again? Okay, this this is not Ofu because we no, well we just said Ose. We just saw Ose. This is Ofu. Oh, this is Odi. Damn, this is not easy. Okay, this is Ijite. I don't know. This is Ijite. I think. Yeah, and this is Abala for sure. Yep. Oh, I got more right this time. This time I'm at 17. I got 13 correct out of 16. So I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. Um, yeah, this thing is not easy. Let me see if I can um get more correct. This time I'm gonna study before I just get started. Let's look at these patterns again. Oh gosh, okay. Aku, aku, okala, aku, okay. Okala is the opposite of obala. Got that one. Atuluba, atuluba, and aka are like the middle ones reversed. So atuluba is close, close, open, close. Atuluba, and the aka is um, the reverse of atuluba in the middle, just in the middle. Aka, we know what aka is. Okay, so this is how I remember because I know what aka is. I always know what aka is because I remember I said it looks like four fingers, but one of them is missing. So atuluba is the fingers are reversed. So atoluba and aka are close to each other. We know I know what albala is already. I have mastered that one. Agali. Um Agali. Okay. I'll try and remember Agali. Ogeli. Agali will be like let me think of it like an Agali, like Agadi wine in her earring. Agadi wine's earring and her earring is dark at the top, but okay, so Agali. Ogeli. When I see this one, this is Ogeli. I don't know how I'm gonna remember Ogeli. Ogili, how do I remember that one? I don't know. Ogili, I don't know how I remember that one. I'll just try to remember it. Ululu, Ululu is two whites at the top and then two darks at the bottom. Okay. Ose, I don't know how I'm gonna remember Ose. Ose, Ogili seems to be the fourth of the but I think I got Ose wrong last time too. Ogili is two in the middle. Ose is this opposite of Ofu. Ofu has Ofu is boom boom, dark dark first, light light afterwards. And Ose is so Ose and Ofu are the opposite of each other. Ose is light light first, and then Ofu is dark dark first. Dark first. I'll try to remember that. Okay. Otule is the opposite of Aka. I already know that one. Obi, I always remember that one. All right. Ogeli. I remember Ogeli. Ijite is Obala flipped. No, Ijite is Obala reversed and flipped. Um, Ete, okay. Um, Aura, Aura is Ijite flipped. Aura, and then OD. OD is difficult because that looks like OD is Ogili flipped. Is Ogili reversed. Okay, so let's try to remember these things. I got Agali, Agali, Agadi one with the earrings. This like it looks like one of those earrings. Okay, let's try to remember this and to take a quiz. Practice again. Here we go. Boom. Starting right off the top. Let's see. This is definitely not. Oh God, this is gonna be difficult. Okay, this is Aura, I think. Yep. This is Aka. Oh, I'm getting them right already. Don't get too excited, Dochi. This is not Aka. This is Ite, I think. Yep. This is. Oh God. I think it's Akoloba. This is. I want to say Ijite. We're getting it. Um, let's see. Is this? This is Ofu. Yeah, this is Ofu. This is definitely um Obi. Notice Aqua because Obi is all open. Yep. This one is not Obi because we just saw it. Hi Dozier Njoku 6223. How are you? This one is not OB. We just saw OB. I want to say this is either Ose or OD. I'm fine, Dozier Njoku. Is this Ose or OD? I think this is Ose. I'm so confused. I'm not confused. I'm just like, what are these? I don't want to get it wrong because I've done so well so far. I think I've gotten everything right so far, so I don't want to like mess up my streak. Is it Ose or OD? Um, what do I remember? Ose is. I'm gonna say it's Ose. Ah, it's OD. Dang it. Dang it. Okay. Okay. OD. How will I remember that? I don't know. Okay. This is Ose. The reason why I didn't Ose. Okay. This is Agali for sure. This is Otule. This is um let me show your comment. This is not Agali. This is Atoloba. Ululu. I think it's Ululu. Oh, it's Ogeli. How do I remember Ogeli? Oof. Maybe the two dark ones are eating the middle one. I don't know. And this final, oh, this is not the final one. This is Obala. I knew that one already. And this one is Obi. It's Apple. Let me not confuse myself. This is Obi. And this is Okala. Ah. And this is Ululu. I got 14 right. Well, at least I got more right this time than I got last time. Dozier and Jock was asking, how can I get involved with the Kenga Nation? Um, I don't. We're not really getting opening up for people to get involved right now. But yeah, check back in the future. Maybe we'll have something. Okay, so let me try and remember them now. Aku. Okay, I've mastered Aku. I've mastered Akala. Akala is the opposite of Abara. It's like Abara. Atulupa. Atulupa is one that confuses me sometimes. So let me just try and remember that Atulupa. Okay, I remember how I remember Atulupa. Atulupa is Aka, except the two middle in the middle are like reversed. Atulupa is two closed, one open, then closed. Then Aka is one open, then the next one. So I know which one is Aka. I just need to remember which one is Atulupa. Obala, I always remember that one. I've mastered Agali now. I know Agali. Ogeli, we're gonna try to say that that's like the two dark one on the outside, even the one in the middle. So we're gonna remember Ogeli this time from now on. Ululu and Agali are reversed of each other. So we just need to remember that Ululu is like sunset and Agali. I mean, Agali is sunset and Ululu is sunrise, basically. Agali is like the reverse of Ululu. Um, Ululu, I don't know how I'm gonna remember this Ululu, but I'm gonna try to remember that it's sunrise. Um, Ose. I don't know what I remember about Ose. Maybe like the two people are being, or like it's, I don't know, two eyes, right? Because Ose is like eye kind of thing, but like I gotta remember how to look at it. But like two eyes and they're separated, but like the white of the eye is first. So let's try to remember Ose from now on. Obi, I always remember Obi because Obi is all opens, and then Ofu is the opposite of Ose. So um, let's see, the Ose is I with the whites first, but then Ofu is maybe the same eye but it's blind. So let's say Ofu, Ofanya. I don't know. We'll just try to remember Ofu like that. Otule is the opposite of Aka. I always remember that one. Ijite. How I remember Ijite? Ijite, Ijite. Oh, Ijite is, gosh, how I remember Ijite? Ijite and Aura are two are reverse of each other's. Ijite is upside down. Aura, Aura. Ijite and Aura go together. So let's say Ijite is all people say the Aura is the power for people. Ijite Aura, okay. And then Ete is, I'll try to remember Ete. I'll just try to remember it. And then OD. Oh, OD is another one that I always forget. OD is, I'll try to remember OD. OD and Ete. Ete and OD. Those are the two that I'm gonna fail this time. I know it. Okay, let's try and see if we can remember them. Let's take the test. Practice again. Okay, already blank. Already blank. Okay, it's not Aka. Um, it's not Aka. It's not Otule. This is Ose. Yep, got it. This is Ijite because the opposite of Aura. So we're gonna say, I think it's Ijite, not Aura. Yeah, the pot is at the bottom. Yeah. Next question. This one is Aura. No, it's not. Yes, it is. Aura. Um, is this one Agadi? No, because Agadi's not an option. Good. The Agadi taken off the table. It's not Aka. It's not Ijite. This is either Ululu or OD, and this is what's going to mess me up. What was Ululu again? What was my memory trick for Ululu? Is this OD? OD? No, it's not OD. This is Ululu. Yes. And this is definitely OB. I remember OB very well. What is this? What is this? This is not Aka. This is Atuluba. This is Atuluba. This one is not Aka. This is either Ofu or Ete. It's either Ofu or Ete. I want to say this is Ete because I just don't think it's Ofu. Yeah, it's Ete. How do I remember that? I don't know how that. I don't remember that. This one is Ogeli. This one is Aka. This one is Obala. This one is Ofu. I want to say it's Ofu. Please be right. Oh gosh, it's OD. Oh, I remember now how I remember OD. I'm gonna have to take this again. Dang it. I was hoping I wouldn't fail this time. Um this one is um this would be Ofu. This is Akala. This is Otule. This is definitely Apple. And this last one is Agali. We only got one wrong this time. We are getting better and better and better. Yes. Okay. Now let me go and learn this thing one more time. This is going to be the last time. I think the one I failed was Ete, right? Well, it was OD. OD is what I failed. So let's practice this one more time so we don't get it wrong. What does OD look like? OD is this one. I remember OD. I don't know why I got failed that one this time. OD. OD is like this. OD because one of the substances in the middle. Okay. OD. Okay, let me see if I can remember everything. Let's see how I remember them. I remember Aku. I always remember Aku. Okala. Okala is the reverse of Abala. That's how I remember that one. Atuluba. Atuluba is Aka, and Atuluba and Aka are reversed. I don't know. I gotta think of another way to remember Atuluba. But Abala, I always remember Abala. Agadi, I usually remember Agadi. Agali. Ogeli was on the outside, you one in the middle. Ululu. Ululu is Agali flipped, but I don't know how I'm gonna remember Ululu. Oh yeah, sunrise and sunset. I said that Agali is sunset because it's like Abali sunset, and Ulu is like sunrise. Because the light ones are at the top and Agali the light ones are at the bottom. So sunset, sunrise. Okay. Ose is, how am I gonna remember Ose? Ose. Oh yeah, because it says it's like eyes with the whites at the top. Um, then Obi, I always remember Obi. Ofu, and Ose are opposites, but we're gonna remember Ofu by saying that. Um, Ose and Ofu. Okay. I see. I'm gonna remember that because it's like you're seeing Ofu and Ofu. Ofu, but it's like the opposite of Ose because Ose is the white at the top. Otule, I remember Otule because it's opposite of Aka. Ijite, the party at the bottom. While Aura, the people are at the bottom. Um, and then Ete and Odi are the ones that got confused with. I remember I got Ete wrong the last time. Ete, Ete is, um, Ete is, Ete, let's see, like, Ete, the pie, this is one, this is number three, Ete, I thought, Ete, um, Ete, I always remember Ete, and then OD, um, oh, OD, oh yeah, I said OD, but OD. Okay, let's try and take this test one more time. I can get this time. I'm going to get all of them right. Who bet? Who wants to bet? Who wants to bet? Anybody out there? You want to bet that I'm going to get this right this time? Everything right. How much you want to bet? How much money you want to put on the table? I'll get everything right this time. Nobody wants to bet. Okay, no problem. Let's see. Let's see. This is the opposite of Agali. This is the opposite of Agali. Um, oh, this is Ululu. This is Agali. This is um Naaka, Naotule. This is either Ose or Ofu. Oh, this is Ose. This is the opposite of Odi. Oh, this is Ogili. This is um Ofu. But why? This is Ofu, but I didn't remember it from that. I just remember because by eliminating all the other ones. But what is Ofu? What was my memory trick for Ofu? Oh, I remember what my memory trick for Ofu was. Ofu. Okay. This is, oh gosh, what is this? This either Ete or Ose. Oh, this is Ete. This is Aura. This is Aka. This is mm, this is okay, calm down. You got this, you got this, you got this. Akala. This is Aku and OB. This is OB. This is OD. This is Akulupa. This is Obala. This is Ijite. Ah, is this Ijite or Aura? This is Ijite. This is Aku. This is what is this? I'm so tired. I'm so sleepy. This is I have to remember this one. This is not Ululu. This is definitely not Obi. This is definitely not Agali. So this has to be Otule. But why am I so why can't I remember? Oh, because it's the opposite of Aka. It's Otule. Yes! I got all of them correct. I knew I would eventually get all of them correct. I got all of them correct. Now I remember all of them. I remember all of these. I got all of them correct. 100%. See that? See that? 100%. So I got 100% on this. I've officially memorized all of the Afa patterns. If you want me to do it again, just to prove that I have it memorized, I can, but maybe not today. I think I'm going to go to sleep now. As you saw, I did it, and every single time I did it, I got better and better, so it's very possible. Let me take this guy's comment off. Basically, this is the website I'm on right now. It's called afasimulator.com, and it was created by OMS. I think they're called OMS. So if you want to check it out, check it out. Go to this website, play around with it. Go to if you want to do the quiz that I was doing to learn all the Afa patterns, then go to this button right here where it says turn on learning mode. And then, well, I've already practiced one, so I could just put practice again and I'll be able to take the test again. So let me take the test again just so you can see me take it. Okay, so this pattern, like I told you before, we already know this is Aku, or you say Aku, right? Next question. We already know this is Obala. We know this is Aka. We know this is this is the opposite of OD. This is Ogeli. This is proving you that this is proving to you that I know this for sure. This is proving to me that I know this for sure because I was just like, oh my god. This is Ose. This is this is OD. This is Ululu. This is Ijite. This is Okala. This is dang man, I'm like getting tired. I'm gonna get this. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. What is this? Remember, remember, remember. It's not OD. It's not OB. This is aura. This is the opposite of Akash was Otule. This is gosh, what is this? You can do it. You can do it. You're almost finished. This is not Aka. This is not Obala, and this is not Agali. So this has to be Ofu. I have to remember this Ofu one. I always forget it. This is Atulupa. This is definitely Obi. This is Agali. Yeah, this is Agali. And this final one is who can help me? Who can help me? What's this one? This Ete? No, this okay, let me just look at it and know. Okay, it's not Aka, it's not Ofu, and it's not Ose, so it's Ete. I got them all right. See? I've learned this. I learned this. I does this. I does this. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm getting out of this thing. I've memorized everything. I have learned this very, very well. So if you want to test yourself or learn all the AFA patterns, go to afasimulator.com. Once again, that's afasimulator.com. This is not my website. This is OMS website. They're on Twitter. They're on Twitter. They're on. They have their websites and stuff like that, and they built this. And I thought it was really cool, so I said, let me try it. So it should be interesting if I come back tomorrow and see if I still remember these, because right now it's late. It is in the middle of the night, and I haven't slept, and I was able to learn this. So I'm gonna get a full night's sleep, and then sometime tomorrow I'm going to try and see if I still remember these patterns, and we'll see. And I'll do this again. I'll come back on live, and I'll demonstrate for you guys whether or not I still remember all these alpha patterns tomorrow. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye.